Hey everybody, I'm Safa. So today I'm going to show you how to draw some types of animals. So these animals we always see in cartoons and stories. So before watching this video, please subscribe. So let's go. So first we need the pencil and we are going to draw the trunk for a baby elephant, like a curved one. I need to make that a bit thick, yeah. And now we are just gonna draw the ears like a curved C. And the elephant's face. Now we are gonna draw an eye and color its inside like an eyeball. Now we are going to start the baby elephant's body. Just give its leg. And now we are going to draw the nails like curves. And now its tail. And now the tusk. Okay, now we're going to draw the elephant's back legs, so it'll be a bit thin. And now we are going to draw the goldfish. So we see goldfish in aquariums. If you go to an aquarium, you can see goldfish. Now we are going to draw it. So first you're going to draw like a V, and then its lips, give two curves, and then its body like that, and now its tail. Now we're going to draw the fins of a fish, almost like triangles. And now the eyes of the fish. And now some bubbles from fish. And now we are going to draw the puppy. So first we are going to draw oval, the nose, and the eye part. Now we are going to color that as the eye. Okay, this will be the face of a puppy. And now I have drawn the ears of a puppy. And now we are going to draw the bow. Okay, we finished drawing the bow. And now it's the bell, which puppies have. And now we are going to draw its body. So first it will be its legs. Now that's the stomach part. Now its back legs. It will be only seen a little. Now it's time for coloring. I have lots of colors. So for the elephant we'll give grey color. So I'm going to start from the trunk. And now I reach the face part. We must not give the nails of the elephant as it's white. Now I have given this much. I didn't give the nails, like I told, it must be white. Now I have finished the elephant, giving it fully grey except the eyes and the nails. And now we are going to give the goldfish. So the goldfish, we are going to give the body only yellow. The goldfish will be like golden. Now I finished coloring that much. Now I have finished giving the goldfish body, yellow in color. And now we need orange for the fins, for the tail, and for the lips. I'm coloring the fin. Now the tail. Now the other fin. I finished coloring the all fins, and now I'm going to the lips. And now I'm just taking red for the highlights. I have like in the sides to give like shading for the fins and tails and lips. Now I'm just gonna give the body of the goldfish lightish orange, so it will be like shading. Now I'm gonna take light blue for the bubbles of the fish. Okay, now I'm gonna give the puppy the coloring. So first I'm gonna start with its bell. I gave yellow color. Then I took red and gave for the belt around its neck. Now I took pink and gave for the bow. Now I am taking brown for the body of the dog. I gave its stomach dark brown. I'm going to take that brown and lightly give it on its face. I'm going to take another brown which is really light. I'm just going to give its eyes and its body. Like that. Now I finished giving the puppy. I'm just going to give some background for each animal. Like for the goldfish, I am giving some sea. Fishes, bees in seas or in aquariums or in ponds or something like that. I have blue for like the water where the goldfish is swimming. And now I'm gonna take green color and I just gave the ground for the elephant, and I took dark brown and gave a tree like in the forest or in the zoos. Yeah, I'm giving dark green to the trees, bush leaves. And now I'm taking pink purple for the puppy's background, like I'm giving flowers, like the puppy went to a garden. Yeah, like that. I'm going to do like pink, some flowers. I'm gonna take red and give some flowers like rose, different colors of roses. Now I'm gonna take yellow for the flowers, like some more flowers, like in a garden there are a lot of flowers. And I gave some more flowers, and I'm going to draw stem for the flowers and some leaves for it. Now I'm going to take dark green for the ground, like I gave for the elephant, but the elephant's ground is in light green. I gave dark green for the dog's ground, which will be in a garden. So guys, please try these animals at your home. I hope it is really easy. Also like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.